Today's traders face another challenge: social media. Every day people see screenshots of massive profits, small accounts turning into huge numbers in very short time. And naturally they begin thinking, why can't I do that? Am I too slow? This creates comparison pressure. The trader stops measuring progress against their own system. Instead, they begin chasing someone else's timeline. What they don't see are the blown accounts, the failed attempts, the hidden losses. Social media usually shows the peak, not the collapse, so the viewer only receives one half of reality, the winning moment, not the survival process. And this creates a dangerous emotional distortion that affects decision quality. Most traders believe success comes from finding more opportunities. They think professional traders are constantly entering trades and constantly active in the market. But elite traders often do far less than everyone else, because high-level trading is built on patience and emotional control. Instead, it requires ruthless patience. Many people think patience means holding a trade longer, but in trading, real patience happens before the trade even exists. A battle against your own emotions. Price comes close to your setup, almost perfect, almost valid, almost enough, and you still refuse to enter because almost is not your system. That level of discipline feels uncomfortable because the human brain hates uncertainty. The brain wants action, it wants certainty, it wants stimulation, but trading rewards precision, not activity. That is why ruthless patience is rare. Most people are conditioned to believe that more action leads to more progress. In most areas of life, that belief is true. Work more, earn more. You send emails, you attend meetings, you finish tasks, and your brain learns, I am active, I am progressing. But trading is different. Doing more often produces worse results. Sometimes the highest quality decision is do absolutely nothing. A disciplined trader may take only 4 trades in an entire month, not because they are lazy, not because they are afraid, but because they understand that quality opportunities are rare. Imagine waiting 23 days without placing a trade. Most traders become anxious. Every candle seems to whisper, act now. Don't miss this. You're already late. Eventually they start forcing trades. But the disciplined trader understands something most people never internalize. No trade is infinitely better than a bad trade. So while everyone else is chasing movement, they are protecting capital, mental clarity, consistency, and waiting for the exact conditions their system requires. Because consistency matters more than catching every opportunity. The market will always provide another setup. That is the hidden power of patience. It protects decision quality. Most traders think winning means making money today, growing the account quickly, always being in a trade. But mature traders think differently. To them, winning means following the system, respecting risk, maintaining discipline, avoiding unnecessary losses, preventing emotional mistakes, because those invisible wins are what create long-term success. One of the hardest lessons in trading is understanding that survival is more important than catching every opportunity, because new setups will always come. But once capital is damaged, recovery becomes much harder. And once discipline is broken, rebuilding it becomes even harder. That is why experienced traders stop trying to participate in every move. Missing one trade rarely changes your future, but breaking your rules can. Real winning is not about making money today. It is about staying consistent long enough for your edge to work. In the end, the market rewards emotional consistency more than emotional excitement, because trading is not about who feels the strongest emotions. It is about who can stay the most stable while everyone else becomes emotional. The millionaire trading mindset is not about making more decisions. It is about protecting the quality of your decisions. The small account was never the problem. The real challenge was mastering yourself.